Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the heart of performance motorcycles with the stunning 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1000 factory. This bike is a masterpiece of engineering, blending raw power with advanced technology. Let's explore what makes this machine a must-have for any serious rider. Design and aesthetics. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Tuono V4 1000 factory continues Aprilia's legacy of striking aesthetics. Its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and aerodynamic fairing are not just for show, they enhance performance. The sleek bodywork is complemented by a new paint scheme, giving it a modern yet timeless appeal. With lightweight materials and carbon fiber accents, this bike not only looks fast, it is fast. Engine and performance. Now, on to performance. The heart of the Tuono V4 1000 factory is its 1.077cc V4 engine, delivering a staggering 175 horsepower and 89 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a seamless 6-speed transmission that allows for rapid gear changes, making it a joy on both the street and the track. The bike's lightweight chassis and advanced suspension setup mean that it handles as well as it accelerates, with a ride quality that's both sporty and comfortable. Technology features. In today's riding world, technology is key, and the Tuono doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a comprehensive TFT display that offers real-time data, navigation, and connectivity options. Aprilia's advanced APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control System provides multiple riding modes, traction control, and wheelie control, ensuring that you can tailor your ride to any condition. The quick shifter makes gear changes effortless, adding to the overall thrilling experience. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is another area where the Tuono shines. The seating position is designed for both aggressive riding and long-distance comfort, making it versatile for various riding styles. The adjustable suspension allows riders to fine-tune the setup to their preference, whether on the track or enjoying a weekend ride through the mountains. Handling and stability. One of the standout features of the Tuono V4 1000 factory is its handling. With its lightweight frame and precise steering, the bike feels incredibly stable, even at high speeds. The upgraded Öhlins suspension offers exceptional feedback, allowing for confident cornering and braking. Whether you're carving through twisties or cruising on the highway, the Tuono delivers an engaging and exhilarating experience. Conclusion. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1000 factory? This bike combines performance, technology, and style into a package that's hard to beat. It's perfect for those who crave adrenaline without compromising on comfort or usability. If you're in the market for a top-tier naked bike, the Tuono V4 1000 factory should definitely be on your radar. Call to action. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Tuono V4 1000 factory. Would you ride it? Until next time, keep the rubber side down. Thanks for joining BikeZone.